Hi you guys, it's Erin. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you to play Rossini's William Tell Overture. Let's go to the piano. Let's start with the right hand and left hand, placing both thumbs on middle C. Starting with left hand finger 4 on G, you'll play G, 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 and then switch to your right hand to play C, D, E. The fingering for this phrase is 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 1, 2, 3. It'll sound like this all together. G, 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 C, D, E. Now you try it. Great! The next phrase starts out the same, but ends with the notes going down. With your hands in the same position, you'll play G, 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 C, E, E, D, B, G. With fingers 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 1, and then switch to the right hand to play 3, 3, 2, and back to the left hand with fingers 2, 4. It sounds like this. G, 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 C, E, E, D, B, G. Now you try it. Awesome. The next phrase is exactly the same as the first phrase. I'll play it and then you can try to play it. G, 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 C, D, E. Now you try it. Fantastic. Let's try this next phrase beginning only with the treble clef notes. You'll play C, E, 1, 2, 3, F, E, D, C, E, C, using right hand fingers 1, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1. Together, it sounds like this. C, E, 1, 2, 3, F, E, D, C, E, C. You try it, counting just like I did. Way to go. This phrase also adds a little harmony in the bass clef. The first measure asks you to play G and B with left hand fingers 3 and 1, like this. Rest, chick, chick, rest. In the next measure, you'll play E, G, E with left hand fingers 5, 3, 5. 5, 3, 5. With both measures put together, it sounds like this. Rest, chick, chick, rest, 5, 3, 5. Now you try it. Great! Now let's put both parts together. C, E, G, chick, chick, F, E, D, C, E, C. Now you try it. That's it for the A section. Now let's try the B section beginning with the melody. In our first section, your thumbs shared middle C. In our B section, your thumbs will share D. The melody begins and you'll play E, 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 A, E, A, E, A, E, D, C, B, A. Using right hand fingers 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 5, 2, 5, 2, 5, 2, 1. Switch to left hand 2, 3, 4. Together it sounds like this. E, 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 A, E, A, E, A, E, D, C, B, A. Now it's your turn. Terrific! The bass clef part also adds harmony notes in the first two measures. You'll play A and C with left hand fingers 4 and 2. Chick, rest, chick, rest, chick, rest. Now you go for it. Way to go. With both hands put together, it sounds like this. E, 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 A, E, A, E, A, E, D, C, B, A. Now you try it. Great. The next phrase starts the same but ends differently. Beginning with the melody, you'll play E, 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 A, E, A, E, A, G, F sharp, G, F sharp, G. With right hand fingers, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 5, 2, 5, 2, 5, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4. Together it sounds like this. E, 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 A, E, A, E, A, G, F sharp, G, F sharp, G. You try it now. Great. For this section of the bass clef, the first part of the harmony is the same. So let's practice the last measure, then we'll put everything together. You'll play B and D, C and D, and B and D. With left hand fingers 3 and 1, 2 and 1, and 3 and 1. Sounds like this. Chick, chick, chick. You try it. Terrific. With both hands together, it sounds like this. E, 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 A, E, A, E, A, G, F sharp, G, F sharp, G. You try it. Great! That's the end of the B section. The rest of the piece is easy because it's an exact repeat of the first A section, which was the first 8 measures that you learned. I'll play the first 4 measures to remind you what they sound like, and then you can try. G, 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 C, D, E, G, 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 C, E, E, D, B, G. Now you try it. If it was challenging to put both hands together, practice it very slowly. Practicing slowly always helps. We're almost to the end. The last 4 measures are a repeat as well. Put together, it sounds like this. G, 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 C, D, E, C, E, G, check, F, E, D, C, E, C. Now it's your turn. Way to go! Now here's what Tell Overture sounds like all the way through.